Just go to Hira. You can go there. You can go all the way up, but don't go into the cave. Once you start going close, it's like this. Wallahi, we were with the brother. We said, we're not going inside. Well, I don't want to lose my Umrah or Hajj. What if Allah threw me from that cliff and that's the last thing I did, man? Astaghfirullah. That's ahlan wa sahlan ila nar. What were you doing just before dying, man? Astaghfirullah. What if Allah hit us with an earthquake? Because many, many serious violations. Remember precautions? That slide I showed you, 5 precautions. Ihtiyat in ikhtilat. It's too much over there. And Ghar Thor is so dangerous. So dangerous. It's totally underdeveloped. Almost no way to properly climb. Even if you climb it, coming down is like, man, this time I'm going to fall. Oh, this second I'm going to fall. I am telling you. And when we